When looking at how comprehensive electroculture systems work in the soil to increase fertility, we have to look at the fluxing atomic state of soil nutrient atoms. This goes for macronutrients, micronutrients, trace elements across the board. As the electroculture systems catalyze this change through the varying electrical input, as voltage is inducted around the conductor and into the soil, then that stimulates the atoms into excited state from ground state. During this excited state, they gain energy, but they're not really, that energy is not really available to the plants until it reverts inevitably, which it will, back to ground state where it's then available. But it's only through this yang state of gaining that it's able to nurture in the ground state. That's the feminine aspect of this nurturing through the yang energy. Then it has something to nurture with. This is very similar to how our muscles must contract to relax. And during that contracting, pressure is placed upon dulce crystals in our body, which creates piezoelectricity, which then is released into our body, becomes part of our chi, our energetic capacity. And likewise, in an electroculture system, that energy, that chi, created by fluxing potentials in that case, and in this case, we're looking at this Taiji symbol as a soil nutrient atom. You have that excited state, gaining energy, back to ground state, releasing the energy. There's a difference in potential there that must be released. When it goes back to ground state, that's released into the soil. That's released as photonic energy, as light. And that's what nurtures plants through the roots.